decided to sit down and take a break. The boys are off, I don't know, that way somewhere. And really just kind of enjoying the view. If you can see it here, I can turn it around. Okay? Yeah. And then I just sat. And no lie, look it. Just chilling. Okay. That is double terminated. That is a face. You see? Well, I mean, definitely that one. Yeah. That's a nice face. Just chilling. I guess it was a good spot to squat. Anyways, I hope that you all are having a very lovely day. Remember, get a little bit earthy. Enjoy the outside. You'll appreciate it, I promise.